Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Mongo app. We go to settings. In this page here, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Mongo app and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will go to storage. In this page you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.